Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to be reading this book to you today called Be Kind. It is written by Pat Zitlow Miller and illustrated by Jen Hill. Be kind. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday. All over her new dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too. But Mom always tells me to be kind, so I tried. There's our character trying to be kind. She's not laughing. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. There she is right here. How do you think she's feeling? She's probably still feeling upset. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. Look at her picture right here. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin? Let her borrow my sweatshirt? Spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyways? Maybe it's giving. Making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi, who lives alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. He might win races in them, though. Maybe it's helping. Putting dirty dishes in the sink. Cleaning up after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Those are all great ideas on ways to be kind. Maybe it's paying attention. Telling Desmond I like his blue boots. Asking the new girl to be my partner. Listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle. My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Thank you. Bless you. Hey, Carla. What's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi Mandelbaum. Being kind can be hard, too, even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when others aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her, because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do, and together they could grow into something big. Something really big. So big that all our kindness spills out of our school, spread throughout the town, Look at the picture. You can see all kinds of people being kind to each other. Travel across the country and go all the way around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind again and again and again. The end. All right, boys and girls, today your mission is to be kind and spread kindness throughout our classroom community, and hopefully it will spill outside of our classroom door and into our community and into our whole world. So be kind in class today. Think of something small that you can do to help everyone else learn to be kind as well.